Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutorial. Today is the very informative video. Don't miss it. It's a very short video. Let us start to the screen. The MBR vs GPT is what are the MBR and what is the GPT? Complete disk partition comparison. The master boot record introducing the 1983 legacy systems. The GPT GUID Partition Table introduced modern UEFI era. The maximum disk size is the 2 TB limit. The maximum disk size is up to 17 exabyte in the GPT. The partitions 4 primed are 3+1. Extended partitions are going the normal partition, and this partition up to 128 GB partitions are there, GPT partitions. The boot mode is the BIOS only. The GPT is the boot mode is UEFI supported. The partition information stored single location boot sector MBR. The GPT partition information stored multiple location prime and backup. The MBR master boot record. The backup no backup table. The backup table is self recovery. The MBR is the risk. Corruption is equal to data loss risk. The GPT is the safety CRC error checking. Performance slow disk management. Performance fast disk and efficiency. The compatibility works on the old PCs and OS. The compatibility modern OS, Windows 10, 11, Linux, Mac OS. Use case legacy system, older hardware. The use case new PCs, SSDs, large drives. The extra information partition limits. MBR is a limited structure. GPT is a flexible structure. The boot differences: BIOS, legacy, firmware, UEF, faster, secure boot. Please subscribe, please share. This video is very informative, very short. Thank you.